Hi, good evening.
So, welcome Neeraj. First question, how is Tokri.com disrupting the already cluttered market that we have in?
See, what I feel as far as disruptions are concerned and cluttering is concerned, every market is cluttered today. Whether we go geographically, we go, segment-wise, in any country, any city, a lot of cluttering is there. Even if there is no cluttering, for example, if there is some new idea, the green salute is there. Once they are successful, so many people will come up and the cluttering will take place. So what I believe that it is not it is not the strongest or the weakest who survives in the market. It is ultimately the fittest who survives in the market. And for me, the fittest is the person not with the deep pockets. It is the person who can, innovate, who can do new innovations, whether it is technology-wise, whether it is, marketing-wise, or delivery models, or anything related to your business. If you are doing it every day, every moment, everything you are doing trying something new, that disruptions take place. For example, to give a few examples, as far as Tokri is concerned, we have built an application which works offline. There is no application in e-commerce where you can, switch off the your mobile connection, your internet connection, and it will work. Tokri.com works offline, and we have applied a patent for it. This is one thing that we have done. Marketing wise also, we tried certain new things. Like I would share one or two incidences with Samir, like what happened when we had to launch Tokri. I had signed up Sunny Leon because with limited money I had to create a lot of buzz. So we wanted to launch it with Sunny so that people can with 20-25 lakhs rupees you can create a lot of buzz worth rupees 5 crores. So Samir was like, help me from back. No, 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 we are not going with that. You just stop with it. So then I just told him, मेरे पास इतना पैसा है, तो इतने में how can we do the thing? So he came up with a wonderful idea, going up with the सबसे बड़ा रुपया thing, giving things that we want to on some order value and all. So that thing was a disruption that we had done at that time. We got a very good response, 18,000 calls in a single day, and we were not at all ready for anything. We were just, we had 8 people at call center, and the calls were falling like anything. People are calling, दोगे क्या? ये 1 रुपए में आशीर्वाद आटा मिलेगा क्या? So in that we were like, yes, yes, आप order करो, देंगे हम. And at the end of it, like how the situation was, we were sitting at the back end, orders were falling. 7 o'clock, the whole team was there in the office. The day we gave the ad, so I was like, oh my God. ये क्या हो रहा है? Order please stop, 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 because I was saying I won't be able to deliver them, and exactly it happened. We were not able to deliver the orders. So ultimately it took us 10 days to deliver all the orders that fell on that particular day, and in that way it happened. So we are trying to do new things every day. In that way, I think the disruption will definitely anybody can do it if we can try new things, new experiments are done on different things.
Alright, I was just visualizing Sunny Leone knocking on my door and saying, Saap sabzi le lo.
So in fact, if you would have seen the creative that they had made, all the sausages and so many things.
Okay, we'll stop the details there. But yes, so you spoke about not having deep pockets, but I heard you recently or you received crores of funding. So can you tell us a little more about that fundraising experience that you had?
See, basically, I would say I was lucky enough, and I am lucky enough since childhood. Whenever there is a fund crunch, parents stop giving me money. Something happened and I got the money. So in a similar way, when I was, passing through a tough phase in Tokri, the phase had just started. My funds were, squeezing like anything. So I got a call from my investors. So they were like, "पैसा चाहिए क्या?" So it was like, Linky or Kusmuk. So in that way, and in the very first meeting, we were able to close the deal and the funds were raised. So in that way, it is not, I'm not the right person who has seen the pains of fundraising and all.
So like the investors are asking you paisa chahiye, you are asking people sabzi chahiye. That is just a circle going around. So how has the brand launch center helped you or the overall startup ecosystem? How is that helping Tokri.com?
See, I would say like I have, in my one of the earlier ventures, I have seen one thing. If you are good, it is good. But people should understand that you are good. That perception should be there. I tell you, in my one venture that is basically related to civil services coaching, we provide the notes for students. So in that, I was having a meeting with all the concerned people. I was discussing with them कि भाई अपने notes इतने अच्छे लिखते क्यों नहीं है इतने जिस स्पीड से लिखने चाहिए उस स्पीड से नहीं लिखते हैं. So one of the guys sitting there, he gave me a very important input कि भैया notes तो अपने अच्छे हैं लेकिन students को भी पता होना चाहिए कि ये अच्छे हैं. So in that way, the team has helped me a lot to create that kind of perception. So if you are giving a good service or you are giving products or anything, that perception should be built in the minds of people. So Brand Launch Center has helped me a lot in creating that kind of perception. So in that way, like it is very important. See, marketing without जो दिखता है वही दिखता है. Marketing, creating those strategies to create a perception in people, create that kind of branding. They are very important to for the success of a business. And Sameer has helped really a lot to create that kind of perception and give a push to Tokri for doing that thing.
All right, thank you very much, Neeraj.
Thank you.
I also a couple of happy streets and I think